So here's a video how to change the green light on your Discovery 3 ignition. So it comes with this bulb. Can't remember the size, but obviously mine's clearly blown. It gets wrapped into like a little green rubber sock. So here it is. Obviously it fits into there. To get it off, it's not that difficult. You just try and pry this down. You got two Torx bolts. I think they are size T25. Take the two out. The top comes off with clips here. Try not to break them. I know what Land Rover is like. Pull this down as far as you can. I open this up to try and pull it out. I can't. But just be careful of the copper wiring. I think it's to do with the actual key, to be able to like put them two together. So if you try and put another key in here, obviously it won't read, it won't work. So don't mess with the copper wiring anyway. So I'm going to try and put this one, I think it's a capless bulb, into here. It's not hard, you just got to be careful. I'm quite heavy handed. I don't know if you can see that. So it goes in there. Put your clear cowl back in. It goes, be careful, mine snapped, but I think someone's replaced my bulb before. It does fit in, it clips in place, but just be careful. And then you have obviously one clip here that goes into here, and it just sits back over the top of it, of where your key goes in. So yeah, there isn't many views about this, but I thought I would just do it to let people know. You don't have to solder or anything, as far as I'm aware. I haven't put it in yet, but I mean, the other one come out, no wire, no solder or anything attached, obviously. If you order on eBay the cap, the bulbs for this, and they turn up with this, it's not, because this is what it is. This is what turns up if you take off the green plastic. But this sugar, this is what it is. It's a capless bulb. Like I said, this one I had spare. I bought it a long time ago, but it matches up, seems the same size, and I pop it in and go from there. Thank you.